Angels we have heard on high, sweetly singing o'er the plains and the mountains in reply, echoing their joyous strains. Come to Bethlehem and see him whose birth we hail to sing. Come adore our bended knee, Christ the Lord, the new King. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Hark the herald angels sing, glory to the newborn King. Peace on earth and mercy mild, God and sinners reconciled. Joyful all ye nations rise, join the triumph of the skies. Great angelic hosts proclaim, Christ is born in Bethlehem. Hark the herald angels sing, glory to the newborn King. Ding dong, 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 Hosanna in excelsis Gloria, Hosanna in excelsis. One, two, three, four. What child is this who laid to rest on Mary's lap is sleeping? Whom angels greet with anthems sweet, while shepherds watch are keeping. This is Christ the King, whom shepherds guard and angels sing. Haste, haste to bring him, Lord, the babe, the Son of Mary.
Folks, don't forget to subscribe and like. Smoky Trails.